Hello everyone, I'm Ratika Srivastava, worked as Assistant Professor at the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology Center, MS University of Baroda, India. And my lab is one of the few labs which have received the BD FACS caliber, the flow cytometer, through the ISAC donation program, which was done through NIH, NCI with the help of Dr. William Telford. Being an immunologist in early phase of my faculty career, I think it is one of the greatest asset I had in my lab, which allowed me to not only train the young researchers, the upcoming immunologists in my lab, but also gave me enough infrastructure support to write new grants, generate new preliminary data, and get good quality publications. I think this program is an excellent initiative, and awareness about this program is very important for the new investigators, so that best use of this program can be done. Thank you.
Hi, I am Devarshi Gajjar, a professor at the Department of Microbiology and Biotechnology Center, Maharaja Sajri. With the generous support from ISAC and the invaluable help from Dr. William Telford from NIH, we received the BD that has truly transformed our research on microbial pathogenesis. This advanced technology enabled us to isolate specific bacterial cells called persister cells. We were able to tag them with fluorescent plasmids. We were able to find live and dead cells, and all of this research is published now in reputed journals from our lab. In addition to that, every year, 50 masters and PhD students from the department are trained on the machine, and this has been very helpful. In developing nations like ours, access to such high-end tools is rare and incredibly impactful. Thank you, ISAC, and a special thank you to William Telford for making this possible and helping us, our science move forward.